Engage fees also enable schools to import bank receipts. So let's have a look. I've come to fees, collections, and I'm selecting import bank receipts. And there are two options, via file or from API. And I've selected import from API. And then the screen displays the incoming payment data so that you can review. And I'm selecting all of the individual items. Then I'm coming down here to the bottom right hand corner and I'm clicking print receipts, and I get a message here, and then all I need to do is click continue. And then this report is generated and it's showing unallocated money on the account, which will be offset against future invoices, whereas Professor Abrams' payment is put against his balance. So if you link to Engage accounts, a confirmation may appear and you click OK and then select Post Receipts. So this whole process records the payments as deposited into the school's bank account, enabling reconciliation with the general ledger, and then you can send that out via email and to the parent portal.